Many animals live their lives to the fullest, as these ones do, not worrying about anything and having fun with whoever or whatever is around. Most animals are treated in this respectful and delighted manner. They only know a few things, and that is usually how to play, eat, and sleep, but others are not so lucky. I agree with the act of testing on animals because the scientific improvements we have made because of it have been astonishing. We have new therapies for patients with HIV/AIDS, and medication with fewer side effects. We also have animal testing to thank for the new improvements in cancer research and medication. Scientists have now made a drug that targets the abnormal cancer cells and destroys only them, unlike radiation therapy that destroys all of your cells. And with birth defects, animal testing discovered the use of folic acid, a B vitamin that helps prevent serious brain and spinal cord defects in babies when taken before conception. But the cruel way we treat them while researching these important topics is inexcusable. They are sometimes unwillingly giving up their lives to better the human race, and they deserve to be treated like the heroes they are, not as just another test subject. These animals are treated in ways that I didn't think were possible. They are beaten, strangled, hit, cut, and injected with things that no one should ever feel. The worst part about this is the fact that they are given no form of a pain reliever and are forced to deal with the outcome. But what I also can't stand is an animal's life being sacrificed for the use of cosmetics. An animal's life is much more important than how someone may look. Not all cosmetic companies do this horrendous act, but the ones that do should change their ways, and that is L'Oreal. This picture is mocking the awful act that the corporation L'Oreal participates in by testing their products on rabbits. This picture has numerous things that really hit hard with the public. First off, the end of the syringe is an eyelash brush, and the rabbit is extremely cute, which makes the act of testing on it seem that much more horrible. After reactions of the products have been recorded, the animals are then killed and replaced with new, unharmed, and untested animals to continue the experiments. Thankfully, we have people on this earth who agree with me, and many others, that the way these animals are being treated is awful. This is to show you what it would be like if a human was to be tortured and treated in the same respect as we do to the animals we test on. Not only is this to give people a new perspective on animal testing, but to hopefully help change the way we test on our animals and be more thoughtful towards them. If the animal testing was publicly displayed like this show was, displaying exactly how the animal experiments are conducted, I truly believe there will be no such thing as testing on animals. But to help imagine the pain and suffering these animals go through, it only helps seeing someone of our own race who cares so much about this topic that she is ultimately willing to step into the animal's shoes and take the same care they would. This just goes to show us how quickly we need to change what we are doing, because no life is meaningless.